Hi everyone. This is Jenkins CSRF production. Now it will be how to enable and disable. Then we can initially start the one machine. If the machine configuration is 83 small, it is the smallest machine. 2 GB of RAM, 2 CPUs. Now it will be run. Initially, I will install the Docker. Now can check and install the Docker and run the Jenkins container. The container is running state. Now inside the container ID, bash inside the container. Now next it will be open the Jenkins site 8080 enter. Jenkins is if the unlock the Jenkins administrator password. So it will be path is this copy. I'm already enter the container, paste over here. The password is this copy and next paste over here. Enter. Install suggested plugins initially. Some extra plugins it will be choose it. We can download it. Then restart. Nextly. If the get the email extension, GitHub branches, mailer and Gradle, dark theme, etc. All plugins are installed. The main thing is CSRF enable in Jenkins. Suddenly it will be taking the any another network. It will be HTTP error. HTTP 403 error. It is a crumb error. Getting started. All plugins are installed. Now, we can initially admin user. You can create any. I'm creating admin password. If any, save and continue. Start using Jenkins. The Jenkins is started. Now, this time manage Jenkins. Next, security. When we check the security, this CSR protection. In this CSRF protection means RAS site request forgery in Jenkins. It refers to a type of the attack where unauthorized command like sent to Jenkins tracking or authenticated. If the any victim authentication, the attacker target the user who already addict, addicted in Jenkins, for example, admin user, etc. And next, the attacker trick the victim into the visiting the page. Since the a victim is logged in Jenkins, will process the request as the victim had initiated it, potentially causing harm, triggering, and Boolean exposing the sensitive information. In these uses of the Jenkins, CSRF tokens, Jenkins automatically add a token to each the request that modifies the state of the Jenkins. This the token is checked for validity and requests. CSRF protection mainly default. The CSRF protection is enabled in Jenkins starting from the version 1.609. Now this time is enabled. So enable, apply, and save. This time is HTTP error. If the not enabled, every time it's a 403 error. Now this time it will be rectified. This time close it once again. Now go to dashboard, mark your instance, copy the public IP. Now we can paste over here 8080, enter. Now next we can check plugins, available plugins. Now pipeline stage view, it will be show the steps of the stages like installation, next validation, checkout. Different stages are there in pipelines. It will be show the all stages. Install and restart it once. Now backend we can go to exit outside the container. Next check the container. It is a stop state. Next type in a. Now this time it will be start. Container is starting. Jenkins is restarting. Now, okay, this time it will be no errors. 403 error, HTTP 403 error. It's safely login. Now, easy to use. This video is CSRF protection. Thank you for watching. This is Pawan signing off.